That sounds incredible. What places did you visit?
I've been to New York, San Francisco, LA, Chicago, Miami, you name it. Each place had its unique charm.
Wow. I'm living vicariously through you right now. Tell me about your job. Is it as exciting as it sounds?
It's challenging, that's for sure. I work as a software engineer. We're developing some groundbreaking stuff. But you know what they say, no pain, no gain.
You've always been the hard-working type. Have you made any lifelong friends there?
I've made some great friends, but it's different from childhood friends like you, Mark. There's this guy, Mike, and his humor is out of this world.
You've always had a soft spot for humor. Have you managed to watch any football matches there?
Absolutely. I watched several NFL games. The Super Bowl was an unforgettable experience.
You watched the Super Bowl? That's a dream for any football fan. And your family, how did they adjust to life in the USA?
It was hard at first, but they eventually adapted. My wife found a job, and the kids are in school. We missed home, though.
It's always tough being far from home. I'm sure your family is glad to be back.
They are. We missed our hometown, friends, and, of course, our cherished traditions.
We've had some incredible football matches together too, John. Remember that epic World Cup final?
How could I forget? Those late-night matches were unforgettable.
Speaking of traditions, remember the time we played football in the rain during our neighborhood tournament?
How could I forget? We were drenched, but it's one of the fondest memories of our friendship.
We've had some incredible adventures. It's hard to believe it's been 10 years.
Those football matches and memories kept me going, Mark. You've been an incredible friend. So, tell me about your career, Mark. You always wanted to be a sports journalist.
It's been going well, John. I'm a sports editor now, and I get to cover amazing football matches and other sports events.
I always knew you'd excel. You've always had a way with words.
Thanks, John. You've been an inspiration to me.
You've been my anchor too, Mark. So, what's new in the football world?
We've had some incredible football matches here too. The local team won the championship last season.
An incredible achievement for the hometown team. How about our favorite NFL team?
Our NFL team is on fire. They made it to the playoffs last season. I've never seen you so pumped up about football.
I couldn't help it. They've improved so much. How about your football matches? Still playing on Sundays?
Absolutely. Our neighborhood football team is still strong. Some of the guys we played with are now coaches.
The memories of those matches make me want to lace up my boots again.
We should organize a neighborhood match soon. It's time to relive some football adventures and create new memories.
To our friendship and love for football, Mark.
To the unforgettable moments and incredible football matches, John.
And to all of you, cherish your friendships. Whether it's been 10 years or a day, the bond remains special. If you enjoyed this heartwarming reunion and our football memories, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Let's keep the connections alive. Share this video with your friends and keep making unforgettable memories together.
Until next time, stay connected and keep spreading the love, both on and off the football field.
Do you remember that crazy football match during the thunderstorm? We were drenched but couldn't stop laughing.
How could I forget? I thought the lightning was going to strike the goalpost.
Those were the best times, John. Our local team had some unforgettable football matches too.
That's amazing. Tell me more about it.
Last year, they made it to the finals. The atmosphere in the stadium was electrifying.
I can only imagine. And how about our favorite NFL team? How have they been performing?
They're on fire. Last season, they reached the playoffs, and the whole city was behind them.
That's fantastic news. It's been too long since we watched a game together.
It really has. We should catch a game soon. How's your football spirit after all these years in the USA?
It's stronger than ever, especially after attending the Super Bowl. I have to say, it was the highlight of my American journey.
You watched the Super Bowl? That's every football fan's dream.
I know, I couldn't believe my luck. It was an experience of a lifetime.
So, tell me, what's the secret to enjoying a Super Bowl to the fullest?
Well, aside from the game itself, it's all about the atmosphere. The excitement, the halftime show, and of course, the snacks.
The snacks, of course. Nothing beats the combination of football and finger food.
You said it. Speaking of food, I've missed our post-match meals. Nobody makes better burgers than you, my friend.
Thanks, John. We should fire up the grill soon and have a mini football match in the backyard.
I'm up for it, but remember, I've had some practice in the USA. I might just score a few goals.
We'll see about that. Let's invite the old gang for a reunion match. It's time to relive our legendary football adventures.
That's a fantastic idea. I can't wait to see everyone and kick the ball around.
We've made memories that will last a lifetime, John. It's wonderful to have you back.
I'm thrilled to be back, Mark. Our friendship is like a well-aged wine. It only gets better with time.
To friendship and football, John.
To unforgettable matches and unbeatable friends. Football and friends, they're both timeless treasures. If you've enjoyed this trip down memory lane and our football stories, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Keep the spirit of friendship alive and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of football and camaraderie.
Until next time, keep making unforgettable memories, both on and off the football field.
Hello, friends. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you want to improve your English, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Support our channel by joining us or clicking the super thanks button would mean a lot. Thank you for your valuable support and take care.